Lunch for one can actually be very simple and still feel special. Yesterday at the market, I saw some Chinese sausage and fresh green peas. Instantly got hungry. So of course, I brought them home. In my opinion, Chinese sausage or cured pork with peas is a perfect match. The sweetness and crunch of the peas balance the richness of the meat so well, and with a bowl of hot steamed rice. Honestly, it's just perfect. If you don't eat spicy food, you can totally skip the chili. I personally like a bit of heat, and the red chili with the green peas also looks really beautiful on the plate. First, cook the sausage until fragrant, then add the peas. This dish is super simple, just a little salt and a pinch of MSG is enough for seasoning. In less than 10 minutes, this stir-fried sausage with peas is ready. Not bad, right? By the way, how do people usually cook peas in your country? I'd love to know. The second dish is even easier, no cooking required. Just take a block of soft tofu, drizzle it with soy sauce and sesame oil. Then finish with some chopped green onions and cilantro on top. Nothing fancy, just simple and comforting. Even when you're eating alone, you deserve a good meal.
Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next recipe. Bye.